Yeah, so here we are. We're on the water again, doing another water test. First water test on this beautiful 6-metre offshore Edencraft, and it's for a customer from Narooma, New South Wales. This boat's going to be spending a fair bit of time offshore. It's going to travel up north with a customised trailer that we specifically built for Brett to handle all the rugged road work that he's going to encounter up north. Brett's gone with a Yamaha 300 with a Helm Master EX and joystick control. This is my first experience with this unit, and I can tell you something, it's pretty impressive. It'll take a little bit of getting used to, but I'm sure it'd be a lovely addition to anyone's boat. It's coupled with a Simrad, 16-inch Simrad. It's gone for a sharp flex base, stainless steel base on the passenger side to obviously take in a Nesky. We've got a Flir camera, which is becoming very popular these days, and I'll tell you now that'll be one of my additional items on my boat soon as well. I'm really liking it. Another feature Brett's opted for, and it's something that we overlook a lot, I would say, is the floor colour. Your typical storm grey is a beautiful colour. With a black fleck it looks nice, with a double fleck it looks even better. So a black and white fleck on the floor, on that storm grey floor, really tops it off. It's got a fair bit of gear on it, this boat, and it's going to do a lot of work, and I'm sure it'll serve Brett really well. So congratulations, Brett, and enjoy it all, mate.